Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix you lost your connection to the EA server in the FIFA Ultimate Team. So I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So our first thing is that you have to just open the down detector in your system and then check for the EA server. If the server is down, then you have to just wait for some time. This time may last from 24 to 48 hours, so you have to be patient. After this, your problem will be fixed by itself. Now moving to our second most effective method, you just need to check your internet connection and try to use a different network connection if available. If not, then you have to just restart the router of your internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 minutes and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your game and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our third method, you have to just click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the settings. Here you have to just click on the About Chrome option in the left menu and try to check for the update for your browser. If any update is available, it will automatically update your browser. Once you done, click on the privacy and security and then click on the clear browsing data. Once you are here, click on the advanced tab. In the time range, select for all time and then select here for these all options and then click on the clear data. Wait for completing this process and after this relaunch your game and your problem will be fixed. In most of the cases, it is more than enough to restart your system one time and your problem may be fixed. So you must try this method as well. So now moving to our next method, you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for the percentage, temp percentage and then click OK. So once you are here, you have to just select all the files and the folders here and then right click here and then click on the delete. Basically these all are the junk and the temporary files. You have to just delete these files from your system. If some files are not deleting, then you have to just leave them and close this window and relaunch your game and your problem will be fixed. And the last and the final solution is that you have to just uninstall your FIFA Ultimate Team and again install it with a stable internet connection. So that may be the final solution of your error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.